off and stuff, so please be careful out there.
It's all about the lake effect. It started with that trough that moved in yesterday evening. That put down about 1 to 3 inches as it moved through. Then it set the stage for a northwesterly wind, and we were talking, hey there, not fireworks, but snowflakes. We've been tracking lake effect snow through the night into this morning. When will it shut off, and when will we warm up? Our temperature is not even reaching freezing today. Details coming up. Good afternoon. Well, we've had some hardy lake effect snow going on across our area over the last 24 hours. There are places within some of these snow bands that picked up 3 to 6 inches of snow. The winner over 24 hours, South Thompson, 6 inches with 8 inches on the ground. So this is your 24-hour snowfall total. 5 in Lodi, same with Trumbull, almost 5 in Strongsville. I'm sure you're there now. Over 4 in Sagamore Hills, Berlin Heights, he picked up over 3. Elyria 3 inches, even as far down as Stark County, we're seeing 2 inches on the ground. The bullseye this morning was in Lorain and Medina County. Some of these radar estimates have us over 6 inches in some spots. So you get under those lake effect snow bands and it's just dumping snow on you because we've got temperatures below freezing, winds out of the northwest. We had that trigger yesterday evening, and then we continue with this northwesterly flow. We're still seeing some lake effect snow band out towards Huron and into northern Ashland County. Ashland, I believe, has 9 inches of snow on the ground. Then you go towards the primary snow belt. That's what's getting hit right now. We're still seeing some light to moderate snow activity, southern Summit and over into Stark County. But where we're seeing the worst snow at the moment, the heavier snow right along 322 in the heart of Geauga County, reduced visibilities. Again, the coatings on the roadways could make for some slick spots for sure, especially our secondary roadways. We've got snow coming in off of Lake Michigan. That's why we have those snow showers all the way down towards Cincinnati. So as this low continues to pool off towards the northeast, we're going to continue to shift the wind direction, eventually become more westerly as we head into the night tonight, and that's going to shut things down. So this is 4:30, still dealing with some lake effect snow showers in the primary snow belt. Outside of that, we're in the upper 20s. It is definitely a cold day, a windy day, so feeling more like the teens. Then as we go through the night, western areas will gradually clear out. Eastern spots will likely hang on to the cloud cover through the first half of the day tomorrow. So it'll be a tale of 2 different areas. Clouds to the east, more sunshine to the west. Eventually everybody getting into sunshine here as we head towards our lunch hour tomorrow. We've got temperatures right around 40 degrees, so still a touch below average, but of course when you've got the sunshine around, it feels better. We also have the clouds moving back in on Thursday, but note the wind shift coming in out of the south. That's going to help boost our temperatures above average for about 48 hours, which takes you into St. Patrick's Day. So I know, how much snow are we going to get over the next several hours here? Less than an inch for those shaded in the light blue. Secondary snow belt, an additional 1 to 2 inches depending on where that band is. And of course the primary snow belt, the heart of it, well inland, likely around 3 inches, possibly even more. Wind chills, it's staying cold. We've got our temperatures generally in the mid and upper teens. Next up, we're going to talk about the rain that's going to arrive Thursday night, which of course impact your St. Patrick's Day. Unfortunately, it looks like, this shouldn't be right there, that should be right there. Well, anyhow, looks like it's going to be a rainy one on Thursday, but temperatures, and look at this, we've got highs in the low and mid 50s before we break back into the winter Saturday into Sunday. Back to you.
Okay, Jen, thank you.
Yes, okay, thanks, Jen.
Jenn Harcher for what we can expect.
Yes, snow has definitely been impactful today. Most areas picking up at least a coating to upwards of 2 inches, and there more depending on if you're under one of those heavier snow bands, which we're putting down about an inch an hour as far as snowfall rate.
That March Madness, huh?
I can't believe there was a jump ball after every basket.
I know, isn't
that
Like, I've never heard of that, but I mean, that would make for a really long basketball game.
Yeah,
No
it
doubt,
would.
yeah.
It would.
Okay, so when's all the snow?
Less than an inch expected.
So be safe, because it is icy and icky in some areas.